Introducing a pre-owned 2023 Cadillac Escalade Premium Luxury. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac is a great value with less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for visiting Net Motor Cars.